class, how are you all? Hope so you all are doing well. Today our topic is introduction of letter P. Introduction of letter P. Capital P and small p. Capital P and small p. Okay class, do you know the sound of P? Anyone knows? P says P. P says P. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Okay students, now we will write the letter P. Take your pencils and start with me. Start from the starting point. Make a straight line to the bottom. Go upward and make a curve to the right. This is capital P. Now we will write small p. Start from the middle line. Make a straight line to the downward. Go in the middle line and make a curve to the right. This is small p.